boom. Hello, traders. Hope you are doing well. Let's start the. Let's look at the trading opportunities for today. So first, we need to check about all the major pairs. So today, Bitcoin broke $100,000. So as per our expectation, Bitcoin has already broken the top. So we can expect more upward movement on Bitcoin. So let's wait and see how the Bitcoin is going on. So let's see the trade opportunities one by one. First, we need to check about the Bitcoin has broken the high. So looks like Bitcoin going to reach 105K, and then we can expect a correction. So let's wait for the Bitcoin to keep moving up. As I said earlier in the earlier video, Bitcoin will reach 112K. So let's wait for the market to move on. So go to Euro USD. When coming to Euro USD, let's look at the Euro USD pair. So right now the Euro USD looks like market have chances to consolidate, only for consolidation. So Euro USD moving in a consolidation level. So what we need to do here for a trade opportunity is like we need to wait for Euro USD either to break at the top or at the bottom to buy or sell. Until then, Euro USD is going to consolidate only between these levels. So Euro USD is also in consolidation, and Pound USD it's moving in an uptrend. Sorry, not an uptrend. It's moving rebounding from the low level. However, if you look at the smaller time frame, Pound USD looks like it has reached the resistance level. Maybe Pound USD might have one more chance to go down from this resistance because it is standing exactly at the resistance level. So what you can expect here is Pound USD can give some correction at the bottom, or else Pound USD can move up one more, like around another 1,000 points, and then it can fall again. So Pound USD is simply moving in an I cannot say it as a channel, it is just a consolidation level. If Pound USD breaks this high, then it is considered to be a channel. I just draw this channel line only based on the assumption, not based on the reality of the market. So you should have to wait for the market to break the high to consider this as a channel. So these are the rules which we have in our trading strategies. So following the rules are very, very important than anything. And Aussie USD, these are the support. Aussie USD we can expect up, but you can see even in the smaller time frame, Aussie USD looks like it's going to move down because it reaches the looks like it's just retesting the low. So Aussie USD is good for selling. I think it's good for selling. Aussie US dollar. Australian USD is good for selling. New Zealand USD is also good for selling. So Aussie USD, New Zealand USD looks like good for selling. Yeah. USD yen good for buying. So USD yen is good for buying. So what we need to do, what we can expect for the gold. Gold, it has reached the high just around 2648, 2650. So gold has reached the higher level, but as I said, it is just consolidating like 2650 and 2630. So gold keeps consolidating between these level anyway. So it just a big ranging moment. So far, wait for the breakout to catch the big moment, or else just keep buying and selling between these levels, consolidation level. Silver, it's a very good buy opportunity on silver. So yesterday we saw silver around this higher low area. However, silver flew up so very well. Silver reached the resistance in other side. In another hand, looks like silver has reached the exact horizontal resistance. So what we can expect again here is silver has more chances to fall back again to the support, or else if it breaks top, it can move up, because in the higher time frame looks like it is rebounding from the high low, and silver is clearly in an uptrend. So wait for the breakout to buy on silver. Use the Swiss franc, just giving a correction. Pound Swiss franc. Pound Swiss franc is the pair. There we can see some good correction. However, it is just consolidating harder. USD Canadian dollar, it's in a very, very strong uptrend. No matter whatever happens, it just starts to consolidate, but we can expect one more down, it's possible, and then we can expect up. So these are all possible in USD Canadian dollar. So USD Canadian dollar is an uptrend. However, it's not strong enough to move up continuously. So we can expect a correction. USD yen, yesterday it made a consolidation, correction. So USD yen looks like good for USD yen. USD yen looks like good for buying after a breakout happen, and then market reaches the broken level and it starts to move up. So USD yen, pound out, it's completely in an uptrend. Pound CAD, same. Euro Canadian, it's an uptrend again, only an uptrend. It's just moving in an uptrend. Euro Canadian, it has broken the high, as we can expect. It has broken the high. And Euro Pound, this is the consolidation level. Euro New Zealand have more chance to break the high than it can. If it breaks this high, then we can expect upward movement, impulsive move. So Pound New Zealand already broke the lower high and starts to move up. So Pound New Zealand is good for buying, but it might do some consolidation before moving up continuously. So we need to be careful about the bigger correction, because yesterday pound out, Pound New Zealand all went more than like 200 pips, which is on 2000 points, including I think Euro New Zealand didn't move up much. Oh, Euro New Zealand also went up 1500 points. So all the pairs mostly went up, mostly Euro Australia, Euro New Zealand, Pound Australia, Pound New Zealand. So all these pairs went up. So on, a very strong. And Aussie Canadian dollar. Aussie Canadian dollar is quite interesting. Just broke the high low and it tried to move down, but Aussie Canadian dollar, you should have to be like it just broke the higher low. So we can expect Aussie Canadian dollar. We can expect downward movement. It is possible. More down is possible in Aussie Canadian. I will need to check about the lower time frame. The lower time frame, you can see Aussie Canadian dollar try to hit. It looks like it has more chance to fall. Aussie Canadian. Australia, New Zealand. Well, this is really ranging, as well as it has more chance to break their low. So Australian dollar is more weaker compared to all the pairs. So you can keep looking for selling opportunities on Australian pairs. Mostly all the Australian pairs are Australian currency pairs. So if you look at the Aussie Canadian dollar, just falling 2,000 points. If I consider this might be considered as another 1,600, 2,000. So Aussie Canadian dollar have more chance to fall. Bitcoin has more chances to move up. So Aussie USD, Aussie Canadian, it's all moving in a same pattern, just breaking the lower level and the support. So let's see the next trade opportunities on different currency pairs. So till so far, what we found here is like Australian dollar and Australian Canadian is good for selling. Other pairs we should have to wait and see. And then Euro Swiss franc. Euro Swiss franc looks like this is completely consolidating. Australian Swiss franc, it is just consolidating. Australian Swiss franc also more chance to move down because it's just simply consolidating. And the Canadian Swiss franc down. USD Canadian dollar, more chance to move up. However, consolidation, whenever it hits the low level like 1.39, you can definitely buy USD Canadian dollar at 1.39. It's a very good buying opportunity. USD Swiss franc, not sure. Australian Canadian. Euro Canadian dollar looks like trying to move up. USD yen. So if we consider USD yen, it is completely looking like just lower high and trying to, it just broke and then went down. After the breaker, it just retested and went down, and again breaker, and then again we retested at the same level and went down. So looks like USD Japanese yen in the 1 hour time frame is a very, very strong downtrend. We cannot say it is an uptrend, it is a downtrend only. Yeah, it's clearly in a downtrend. If I draw a channel, it looks like USD yen have a chance to fall again. Very clear downtrend. So you can see the lower lows and lower highs are connecting very well. So USD yen, we can expect downward movement. Pound yen, pound yen looks like a good upward move. Upward correction is possible, but don't buy or sell the Japanese yen for now, including all of the pairs. Japanese yen, Australian Japanese, just start to consolidate. Canadian Japanese yen, nice fall. Yesterday we saw the Canadian Japanese yen just standing out here and 107.45. We expect to sell and just went down 1,000 points. It's a good opportunity. However, in the smaller time frame, Canadian Japanese yen looks like it has chance to give some kind of correction. So Canadian Japanese yen looks like good for buying. If I look at by this level, it looks like good for buying, but I'm not sure about Canadian Japanese yen, but looks like good for buying as per the smaller time frame and also the higher time frame. However, Japanese yen is more stronger compared to all other pairs. Japan yen is very stronger in all the currency pairs, so we need to be careful dealing with if you want to trade against Japan yen, you should have to be very careful because it is in a very strong downtrend. All the pairs you can see, Japanese yen just fell down. Nice fall. Maybe you can expect the correction, that's it. Not more than that, nothing more than that. You can expect some correction, but you cannot expect the correction to be a trend reversal. This is where most of the traders lose their confidence on taking the trades. They take a wrong decision. So if I look at this Canadian JPY, if I look at this resistance and the support, it should have to fall, must fall. So Australian USD still have more space, more room to fall down to this level 6200. So opposite Euro Australia, more chances to move up, more room for upward move, more room for nice upward movement. This time it will definitely break the top because Australian dollar is very weaker comparing to all the pairs. Euro New Zealand found out. Gold, it is this week it looks like gold is completely in a consolidation level. So keep buying and selling between the range. Once the gold broke the range, then you can go on with the proper direction where the gold breaks are. For example, if the gold breaks the bottom, you can sell. Gold breaks the top like 2660 or 2670, you can buy. If it breaks the bottom 2600, then you can sell. Until then, you can keep buying and selling between these ranging levels. The ranging level is nothing, it's between this level. Well, I can draw a horizontal price line so that you may know. 2610 till 2665. So these are the ranges. So between this level, you can keep buying and selling. If the market hits 2665, you can sell. If it's 2610, you can buy. So these are the opportunities which is available now. If you are holding a Bitcoin buy trade, just keep holding by moving your stop loss to the entry, so that whenever the Bitcoin try to make a correction, because it reaches the higher time frame like a round mark, which is a remarkable mark, long waiting remarkable pricing, which is $100,000 per Bitcoin, is really remarkable price. So you should have to wait for the bigger correction on Bitcoin. Not only you, all the people, they keep waiting for the correction. The big whales are waiting for the bigger correction in Bitcoin. So please stay tuned and try to catch the big fall on Bitcoin. So if you try to catch the big fall on Bitcoin, you can expect a nice movement. So let's see the trending movement on last wave. Bitcoin went up around. Bitcoin went up around 60,000 points in 52 weeks. Let's go to the monthly time frame. So from low to high, looks like Bitcoin went up 60,000 points, or you can say 65,000 maximum. And here you can see 58. Wow, it's going to 87. It's a nice big movement towards Bitcoin. 67, 65, but here the range looks like 87. So anytime Bitcoin have chances to fall. So what you need to do here is Bitcoin, the last wave 59. So 58 to 59. So from here I can say